The most important part is
this the way that we rock. I'm from the bottom, so I aim for the top. And you crazy in the mind if you think I'ma stop. And I'm young, black, and living, still dreaming a lot.
So guys, I've gotten so much more information recently that has been working for me in my business. And I want to go ahead and share that with you guys, those who watch me for my business tips and stuff like that. So here's what I have learned. The most important part is your branding on you. Okay, you are the most important part. You are the one who gets you the sales. That's what I've learned. You can do the promotions and you can do the ads and stuff like that, and that helps. But the most important part, especially in the beginning when you're small, nobody knows you, the most important part is you. I've passed out the most cards. I've, gotten any of my sales pretty much off of me wearing the hair. Not anybody I've sent products to or anything like that, but on me wearing the hair. And when people who ask me, they want to buy a wig or they want to buy hair, they're like, when they ask them for what they want, they're like, I want the wig you were wearing in this photo, or I want, the wig you were wearing when you did this style or that style or whatever. So, and then a lot of times, when I'm out, I talked about this in my other videos on promotion, but people be like, oh my God, I love your hair. Where'd you get it? And then I'll start talking about, oh, it's a wig. I made it. I have a hair company. That's how I get most of my, sales and stuff. Word of mouth. Don't disregard it just because we in the digital age now, guys. Word of mouth is still popping. You need to still have your digital platform there because, you need that portfolio up and all of that stuff. And as you grow larger, people will find you more online. What I have found is that in the very beginning, if you want to know what you really need to put your money into, it's into you wearing the hair and you taking photos and promoting just you doing it. If I could go back, I would definitely have taken the money we put into promoting with other people and put it back into Grace and I just buying hair and putting it on ourselves and posting pictures. Because that's all we do now for the most part is we buy hair, for our inventory. Because that's all we do now is we wear the hair on ourselves and people want it based off how we're looking in it. People ask us about it based off what they're seeing us doing. I might not even be trying to sell hair. Usually I'm not. I'll be in the gym. I usually wear my kinky curly hair to the gym because it's a closure and I can just tie it down. People ask me about my hair there. I'm not even there for hair. You know what I'm saying? I've been in line at Baby Bop. People ask me, I'm trying to get food. Somebody's like, oh my God, I love how your hair is done. Where did you do it? So if you want to save yourself some time and effort, learn from my trial and errors, get the hair and put it on yourself. Be your own advertisement. Be your own influencer. It pays off better for those of us who are small businesses. Now, as you grow, you got more money on you. If you can do it consistently, don't get me wrong, promoting and stuff with influencers and stuff is not a bad thing if you can do it consistently, but it doesn't always pay off if you can only do one or two, because especially when you're small, because people don't know and trust your brand yet, you know what I'm saying? So it might not always be worth it as much as taking that same amount of money and just putting it into getting hair for yourself. That I can tell you pays off. People buy into pretty. So when you're walking around, your hair is pretty, somebody's going to ask you about your hair. You can pass out your card. You posting pics, posting the same selfies you always be posting, but you're wearing your hair and it looks good. Somebody going to ask you about your hair. Somebody going to be like, oh, I love that. Post yourself doing the hair. You don't even recognize how many customers you might have just on your personal Instagram. But don't make it too salesy in the same breath. Don't make it too salesy because people, will get annoyed with that and want to unfollow you. But if you're just posting what you do, I do hair. That's what I do, and I post that on my Instagram, and people like that. It's not because I'm not, in your face, oh, buy my hair, oh, buy my hair, oh, buy my hair. I post cute pictures. I post, pictures that I edit and stuff like that from my Instagram. And if I'm wearing my hair, I'm going to tag it. You know what I'm saying? Wearing Brazilian that I straighten, hello, fab hair. If I style the hair, I will record me styling the hair, how I did it, and I'll post it. So it's just a free post, but no pressure on people to buy from me. But if you like what you're seeing, holla at me, you know what I'm saying? Slide me a DM and we can talk about getting some hair. But if people want hair and you're constantly on their timeline, that's another thing too. You need to constantly be on their timeline. Let them keep seeing it. So when they think of hair, they think of you. You gotta be your own promotion. That's what I've learned anyways, you guys. And that's what's really been working for us. So me and Grace, people see the hair on Grace and oh my God, that looks so pretty. I want that look. Or, you gotta give people a look to see. They can't just imagine it, especially if you're just posting single bundles or bundles by itself. I did that too. And I can tell you, I got a better response when people see the hair on you constantly. Period. Constantly promote, but don't be salesy. That's all I'm trying to say, y'all. On you. That's your big, this right here is your biggest promotional tool. So yeah, guys, that is what I have learned, and that's really been working for us. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.